Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will troubleshoot the issue you are unable to uninstall the program from your Windows. Okay, some program is very difficult to uninstall, so we can go through the videos. Okay, step by step. So first, what you need to do is you need to restart your system. Okay, this is a primary step. You should try this, but this is a very powerful step. Some instances or the programs are running in the background, so we can restart your system and then try uninstalling it. Okay, in order to uninstall the program, go to here search bar, that I have add or remove. Okay, click on this option and choose the program whichever you want to uninstall. Okay, choose a program whichever you want to uninstall from here and click on uninstall it. Okay, so this is the first way, and you can also go to control panel. Okay, and open it. Now go to programs and feature option. Once you selected view by and click on this option. Hope you already known this, but you need to click on this option, and sometime you will see the change option here. Click on that and click on continue option like this and select the confirmation. Okay, select the confirmation and wait for the some time. Okay, and uninstall like this. Delete all the files here and click on finish option. This is the second method. Also you can go to the C drive like this. I will show you, and you can delete the file from here as well. Programs, files, go to first option this and look for the folder. You can see this is the option. These are containing the exe files in my case. Okay, so I need to select that and press shift and delete button on your keyboard and then delete it. Click on confirmation, continue, and now then go to control panel. Okay, and uninstall the program easily. You can see finish. On close option. Now program is gone now. Okay, so this is also the very helpful method to resolve the issue. If still not resolve your issue, we can uninstall a program in a safe mode. Okay, so in order to access the safe mode, go to start menu, then click on setting icon here. Go to update and security. Then click on this option recovery. Okay, and restart your system in advanced mode. Click on this and then go to advanced troubleshooter options and then restart your system in a safe mode, pressing F4 on your keyboard, and uninstall the program in a safe mode, so your issue will be resolved. So so hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.